Pascal Coppens. I wrote a book. The book's called China's New Normal, and this talks about how China is setting the standard for global innovation. Now, I'm very happy to announce that I will be speaking at Envision for Manufacturing end of this year in Brussels. I'll mention a lot of things, but specifically about smart manufacturing, one of the topics of my book. I'm going to talk about how China went from made in China to create in China, from the copycats of before to the smart leopards using micro-innovations to outsmart the rest of the world. I'll be talking about disruptive technologies, of course, AI, IoT, robotics, and how Chinese are using this as a weapon really to compete with everybody out there. Things like Made in China 2025, the government plan, but also the Shenzhen city, which is the epicenter of innovation in manufacturing, and of course a lot of talks about ecosystems in China, and lots more. I'll see you on December 10th in Brussels.